I got a new package via freight this last week. It is the Autosteer seat pack for the Buckingham 30H from Allett. Let's tear this open and see what is in there. Hey guys, welcome to sunny Bermuda. Today I'm going to open up this package I received this week from Horizon Distributors via freight on an 18-wheeler, and some of you guys had a sharp eye on some of my previous videos. You've seen this new machine sitting in my garage. I haven't shown it on video before, but yes, I do have the Buckingham 30H. It's a beast of a machine. Very huge roller, 30 inches, weighs over 300 pounds. And no, I'm not getting rid of my Kensington. Still keeping the Kensington. But today we're going to open up the Autosteer seat and see what's in it. It came looks kind of like it's been opened before, so hopefully everything's in there. And we will attach it to here and see how it fits. Let's dive in. Okay, I have all the parts laid out here. I've got the seat, looks like the roller here, and then a few bars here, a box full of spacers, washers, nuts, and bolts, a couple of pieces here, and then this looks like probably your footrest to help steer the machine, and then this is probably your anti-skid plates that will go on here, and then also the instructions. And according to the instructions, there are 5 simple steps to putting this together. Well, 4 really. I guess opening the box is 1 step. And so we got 2 here, 3 down here. And I'll go through each of these. And then the second page is basically attaching it to the mower, putting your pieces on the back of the Buckingham to attach the bar to. All right, so let's get started. We're going to first grab these pieces, which is this long piece. Looks like you take this and slide it down on the bar of the roller, and then I'll gather the washers, the nut, and of course the spring washer as well, and we'll get this assembled. Okay, I went ahead and organized all the washers and bolts and all into their respective sizes. Makes it a lot easier to find them. The roller down here already had a spring washer and a 1-inch washer on it. So we'll grab this and we will go ahead and put it on. Okay guys, I've got the AST30 fully assembled and attached. Well, not fully assembled. I'll show you what I did in just a minute. But I got the seat fully assembled, chair on here. I was so excited to get ready to try it out. I went to put on the last piece, which is this knot nut right here. As you can see, I stripped the first 2 threads on here. So I have to get me a die and rethread it. The grass is going dormant. I was hoping to really show off this back seat, see how it rides and test it out and show you guys, but we may have to wait till next season, or if I get a chance to make another video before the season completely ends and the turf turns brown as it goes into dormancy. We'll see. But yeah, and get that rethreaded. I may use a different washer nut and a regular nut that doesn't have these nylon on it. I understand the purpose of these, but I'll probably be taking the seat off regularly as I store it in and out of the garage. But guys, if you enjoyed this video and enjoyed watching me putting this little seat together, and hope to see it in action next year, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you leave me a comment and subscribe if you're not subscribed. That way you can see this beast in action. This is an Allett Buckingham 30H, this big old Honda engine on it, and it's a beast. This weighs over 300 pounds, so I look forward to seeing what kind of strapping action this will do on this Bermuda. So guys, we'll see you in the next one. You have a great day.